It'll have you a place to either store the hood in a safe place. We've selected this, but whatever works for you. You're going to need an assistant to remove the hood and to put the hood back on. So schedule a time when you can have an assistant to help you with those two parts. First step, open the hood. And we're going to need our assistant now to remove the mounting bolts that hold the hood in place. They're 13 millimeter and they're right here. This is a nut for the pivot bolt, and this is a bolt. Ratchet with extensions, 13 millimeter, and take them loose. Now hold on to this. Sometimes it'll want to. There. Okay. Put that aside. Now it's holding onto this hinge pin or hinge bolt, pivot bolt, as a pivot point right now. The other two bolts on the other side are holding this, so everything is cool. But when I take this bottom bolt out on the other side, I need to have someone holding this hood, because then the back of the hood is going to flip down, so we don't want that. Let's go on the other side. I'm going to take this one loose. This is the driver's side. This is the nut. Before I remove this one, I'm going to get my assistant to help hold the hood. I'm going to remove the support bolt, and I have my assistant on the other side, and she's holding the back of the hood up, taking the pressure off, and I just keep going. There. Pull that out, and now it's only being held on these studs on both sides. So we're going to move the hood to our storage locations. I have to pull this side off. You always want to remove it from the driver's side. What you do is pull on the hood to clear that nut. You may have to reach your arm under, and then she pulls her end over.
I'm not.
Okay, pull that way. There.
Ow, oh my back.
Okay. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. There. Here's our system right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to exchange the pivot plate and the rear link arm with our new extended range hood hinge. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay, hold her over that way. Hold the back up. Okay. Now you just hold the back end up, and I can hold the back end, go around to the back end, the other side. Hold the whole hood up, the back. Okay, now I'm going to pull this forward. Whoa, whoa, don't pull so hard. Okay, there. Okay, tip it forward and hold it up so that she doesn't have to hold it so long. We're now going to line up these. Now, I'm going to get the bottom one in, and what I have to do is use my knee to kind of lift up and put this bottom bolt in a few turns. There. Okay, and then I'm going to put the top one on. Okay, this side is complete. Now we're going to tighten this side, but we're going to leave the other side a little loose. But notice I use my knee and wiggle around, and you can get this bolt in a lot easier we've got to slip a lift plate up underneath there. But the other side I'm going to tighten down all the way tight. So let me go over there and do that. Okay, on the driver's side, we're going to tighten both of these bolts. This